Zamling sajo khangsa shui pripinda yongla ya ani ki chogo phonya chamitas kili shui ani tring khare shui lana ani peji losala ani zamling sajo khangsa shui pripinda yongla ya ani nge ani losala chamitas kili shui da chapchik ani lhengi losawi na kusu sedang da chawalamro himjang chamdi nametsri yongwa tha ani thamal lhengi losala togo yongwa ani lhengi losala test kile.
Hi, I'm Pamela Rummel from Jacksonville, Florida in New York City, and I want to wish all my Tibetan friends around the world a happy Losar, Tibetan New Year, and I hope you have a wonderful celebration.
Losar Tashdilim. I wish all Tibetans around the world a happy Losar time. Stay healthy and take care. Bye-bye from Hamburg, Germany. Marina, bye.
Hi, I'm Joseph.
I'm Patrick.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
We're here in Darien, Connecticut, and we just want to wish a happy Tibetan New Year to all our Tibetan friends all around the world.
Losar la Tashi Delek.
Hey, I am Alicia. I want to wish my Tibetan friends around the world a happy Losar and wonderful New Year celebration.
Hola, mi nombre es Dennis, estoy en la ciudad de Berkeley y quiero desearle a todos mis amigos tibetanos un feliz año nuevo. Happy Losar, all of you.
Hi, this is Jack, wishing Tibetans all around the world a happy Tibetan New Year. Tashi Delek.
Hola, yo soy Daniela Quesada y les mando un saludo muy especial a todos mis amigos del Tíbet, que estén muy contentos, que celebren y que tengan un hermoso año, un abrazo muy grande. ¡Feliz año!
I'm Dimitri. I want to wish my Tibetan friends Happy New Year's and Happy Losar.
Hey, I am Jacqueline. I want to wish my Tibetan friends around the world Happy Losar and have a wonderful New Year celebration.
I wish Tashi Tele and a Happy New Year to all my Tibetan friends all over the world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Danae and I'm from California, and I just want to wish all my Tibetan friends around the world a happy Losar and have a wonderful day.